Hello students. In this lecture I will just discuss about the how to write the alphabets, letter writing in engineering graphics with some special letters I will discuss. Like if you want to write most of the letters are in the ratio of 7:5. That is height is to width ratio is width ratio is 7:5. Most of the alphabets. I am talking about uppercase letters. Uppercase letters. In uppercase letters, all the alphabets are drawn in the ratio, are written in the ratio 7:5. Height is to width. Like this A, if A is being written, it is 7:5 ratio. This is 7, this is 5. Now, with some exception here, now where should be this line here? It is 5 is to 2. 5 from upper side, 2 from the lower side. This line, 5 from above, from here, and 2 is from here. Okay, so that is total is 7 and it is 5. Now suppose you have to write, suppose in the exam it is asked to write in 10 mm height. 10 mm height. So it is 10 mm height, then what should be the width? Height is equal to 10 mm given. Then width will be 10 into 5 by 7. It is 50 by 7. It is around 7. So if the height is given 10 mm, then width can be calculated as 7 mm. So you have to decide if the height is here. If it is 10 mm, then this should be 7. Accordingly, the width is varying, but the ratio remains 7:5. Similarly, if the height is say 15 mm, then width will be 10 into 5 by 7. 15 into 15, it is 15 into 5 by 7. It will be around 75 upon 7. It will be around 10. 10. Yeah, around 10 mm you can take, approximately you can take 10 mm. Okay, so but the ratio remains same, 7:5 ratio remains there. Now most of the letters they are symmetrical, like B is having its upper portion similar to the lower portion. Okay, 7:5 is there, but this upper portion and lower portion are symmetrical. Okay, so upper portion and lower portion of the B are symmetrical, but ratio remains same, 7:5. C is there in the presentation. E is again like this. It is the middle one is okay. This is E, but the ratio remains again 7:5. Okay, then F is there, G is there. G is just like F is like this. This is at the middle. This lines of E and F are at the middle, but shorter than the upper one. Then similarly G is like this. G is like this. I will share with you people the standard ones. H is simple, and K. Now K is like this. K is like this. You note it down. This K. This is again. No, actually P, R, K, Y, these are special characters. P, R, K, Y, R, K and Y. These are special. They are all 4:3. 4:3. This upper portion is 4, lower is 3. Total is 7. Total height is 7, but upper portion is this 4, lower is 7. Here upper portion is 4, this is 4, this is 3. Total is 7. This is 4, this is 3. Okay, similarly here it is 4 and it is 3. And this line, inclined line, is at some distance from here. In K, this inclined line is at some distance. So Y is again 4:3. This portion is 4, upper one is 4, lower is 3. And the width is again 5. In all the cases it is 5. And the ratio remains 7:5. Okay, similarly special characters are there like M. M is drawn like this, and but it is not 7:5, it is 7:6. Similarly W is like this. Okay, this is 7, this is 5, this is upper one is, you can take it as 8, or usually it is sometimes it may be 1.33 times also the height, but it can vary 8 to 9, it can be. If it is 7, then it can be 8, 8.5 or 8, 9. So it depends, 1.33 times the height. So this is W. Okay, so again I am drawing W here. This is all the letters are drawn or are written freehand. You do not need to use scale. Okay. Similarly, there is I. I is simply a single line, no cap. J is like this. J is 7:4. 7:4. I is simply a line. J. Then M is 7:6. L is also 7:4. L is 7:4. So these are some of the special characters. Okay. Then all the numerals are 7:4 except one, because one is having only cap, no base in cap 1. Okay, so one is having only small cap. Okay, rest of the letters it is shown in the I will show you those alphabets and numerals in the PPT, and you can also note down that 7:4 is the ratio for lowercase letters, lowercase alphabets. All the lowercase alphabets like A, B and all that, these are in the ratio 7:4. These thing we will be discussing, okay, in the coming lectures. Okay, thank you. 7:4.